supposed to be doing here? I thought that we were finished, baby. We don't have to talk, I guess I just know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a all-day cleaning motivation video. I tackled pretty much the main living areas of my home and I cleaned on and off throughout the whole day. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I think you guys will enjoy this video. So to jump right into it, I'm going to start in the bedrooms, and then from there I'm going to go into my dining room, my kitchen, and my living room. And I also clean out my freezer and my oven in this video. So for right now, I'm going to let some music play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So I will let some music play and I'll be back in a little bit.
Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that? It's not for me. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. We don't have to talk, I guess I just know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that? It's not for me. I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me, how can I forget that?
I've been feeling lonely. I've been feeling staring at the pictures on the walls. Every time I see you with some other guy, I see I don't mind. But every time you start to walk away, emotions, all the color starts to fade. And every piece I need to feel complete. I miss the way you used to touch my skin. You're irreplaceable. And can't you see the pressure I've been under? can't you see that I've been moving towards you? I am so miserable, I am so vulnerable now. She can't break bones into a million pieces, digging my grave wherever she pleases. She got me on my knees, she got me begging please. But every time you start to walk away, emotions, all the color starts to fade. And every piece I need to feel complete. I miss the way you used to touch my skin. You're irreplaceable.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Looking for a place to stay for this night, even though my room is empty. My Baby got me out the door tonight, our story never ending. He says that I'm the worst and it's better off alone. Still in front of me you're standing. I turn to get along and say that something's wrong. We'll see he's understanding. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my sphere. I can't see clear, but right there. Gotta find a way out of here. Out of here. But I got the game and no one else to blame. I got all the attention. This feeling comes and goes, but you I've been no more. Not even have to mention. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my space. I can't see clear, but right then, gotta find a way out of here, out of here, out of here. Coming home tonight, not anymore by your side. I don't know why I was there. Gotta go far from my space. I can't see clear, but right there. Gotta find a way out of here.
So I just wanted to pop on and let you guys know that I know it looks like we threw out a lot of food from our freezer, but I'm just going to be honest, like I have to be real and open. I haven't cleaned out my freezer in honestly probably months, like 6 months. So there's a lot of food in there that was either freezer burnt or just bad. So I certainly don't want you guys to think that that's the amount of food that I throw out like monthly or weekly or nothing like that. I really need to be better about cleaning up my freezer. I just tend to not focus there. I do a better job at cleaning out my fridge, but my freezer I definitely struggle with. So again, I'm so sorry. I don't throw this amount of food away. I promise. But that's what the freezer looks like when it is cleaned up. I desperately need to go grocery shopping. Like we have zero food, but it feels good to have a fresh freezer. And then here I am moving on to my oven. In the beginning of the video, you saw me spray something into the oven. I am using Easy Off Heavy Duty, and I love Easy Off. That's like my go-to oven cleaner. We've had a couple bad spills in my oven over the past like month. And they were really bad, like sticky, oily, like really gross spills. And Easy Off really gets the job done. I do scrub in here and I do rinse it several times just because I don't know, I'm weird with chemicals in the oven. So I do rinse my oven like several times before I'm done. But that's what you are seeing here. If you guys know a good way to clean oven glass, let me know, because you can't use Easy Off on the glass. and I really need to clean the glass. So let me know if you guys have a better way of doing that. I have a steamer, so I'm thinking maybe about taking a steamer to it. But if you guys have like a product that you use or something, definitely let me know. So with all that being said, I am going to finish my kitchen. I am going to get into the living room, but this will be the last time I talk to you. I'm going to let music play for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So afraid of you, lying so far into. Yeah, I wanna know it. When here it seems like the hell. Yeah, I wanna know it. No, I'm feeling right. I'll give you a piece of me. Down piece. Lights on me, I am in a big hole, kinda pretty. I see the day all dancing, I remain, I'll be dirty. Yeah, I wanna know it. When here it seems like the hell. Yeah, I wanna know it. Now I'm feeling right. I'll give you a piece of me. Down piece.
I saw you standing over